Good morning, students. Up to last class, we have discussed acids, bases, and their general properties. And we have seen that acids are the substances which produces hydrogen ions on dissolving in water. Bases are the substances which on dissolving in water they produce hydroxyl ions. So OH minus ions, bases. Now the acids and bases can be recognized, identify. How? By touch them. They are slippery to touch or smooth in touch. By taste them, they are sour in touch. We will say acids. By bitter in taste and slippery to touch, bases. So we can identify various acids and bases by taste it, by touch it. But this process, this concept is applicable for only weak acids and weak bases. We can't test the strong acids. We can't touch the strong acids because they are corrosive in nature. They are causing blisters on our skin. So we use certain special materials, and these materials are known as indicators. Indicators, when they put into the acid, they change their distinct color. They show an specific color, right? A specific color, right? Like this one in basic medium, it also produce a different color. So these substances or chemical substances that is used to identify whether a compound is acidic or basic. A chemical substance that is used to identify whether a compound is acidic or basic by showing a color, by showing a color change. By showing a color change is called as indicator. A chemical substance which is used to identify whether a substance is acidic or basic by changing its color. Got it? So there are two kinds of the indicators. Some of the indicators are natural indicators. Some of the indicators are synthesized indicators. Natural indicator and synthetic indicators. Natural indicators, red cabbage. We put it into the warm water, it releases its color. China rose flowers, you know well, China rose flower, pink color, they lose their color in the water. Litmus solution, you should learn it. It is important. Actually, litmus is obtained from a lichen. You know lichens, symbiotic relationship between algae and fungus. Yes, that lichens are used to obtain the litmus solution. L for litmus solution, L for lichens. Litmus solution is obtained from the lichens. Litmus solution may be blue colored, may be red colored. Litmus solution is of two colored, red or blue. So look over here. The red natural indicators and synthetic indicators. Red cabbage, China rose, litmus solution. Synthetic indicator, methyl orange and phenol phthalein. Methyl orange and phenol phthalein. Try to learn methyl orange and phenol phthalein. Repeat after me. Methyl orange and phenol phthalene. Phenol phthalein. Got it? Now look over here. These, along with these indicators, turmeric is also a natural indicator. Turmeric is a natural indicator. It is yellow in color in acidic medium, but in basic medium. Do you know? Turmeric कहीं लग जाती है कपड़ों पर. Then as we put washing soda, detergent, its color turn red. इसका कलर कैसे होता है? रेड स्पॉट बन जाते हैं. जहां पर हल्दी लगी होगी वहां पर रेड स्पॉट बन जाएंगे. वाई? बिकॉज टर्मरिक गिव रेड कलर इन दी बेसिक मीडियम. सो लुक ओवर हियर. विच इंडिकेटर, what color showing in the acidic medium and what color showing in the basic medium. Now look the indicators and their changing in the color. How they change the color? Litmus solution. Litmus solution, basically litmus is the most commonly used indicator. Which is the most commonly used indicator? Litmus solution. If filter paper put into litmus solution and dry up, it is known as litmus paper. Now it is not called as filter paper. Now it is not simple filter paper. It is litmus paper. Look over here. Litmus solution. If litmus solution is red acid do not change any color. Why? Because acid turn blue litmus to red. So acid blue litmus to red. But if there is red litmus, there is no change. But blue to red. Here bases. Look what happened in the base. Base acid turn blue to red litmus solution, but bases opposite, red to blue. Red litmus to blue. But if there is already blue litmus, then there is no reaction, no change. Right over here, no change. Now China rose. China rose flowers, you know well, red color, pink color. These are red color or pink color. But in the basic medium, the China rose flowers turn green in color. China rose flower turn green in color. Right? Now red cabbage. Red as here written over here, red or pink in color. Red cabbage, red or pink in color. They put into the water and its color, so its solution changed to red or pink. But in acidic medium, there is no change. It is acidic medium. There is no change in the color of China rose, in the color of, yes, red cabbage. But in case of the basic medium, its color change, green or blue. Like this one, turmeric. I am writing over here. Turmeric, which is color yellow. It is in acidic medium, it is also yellow in color. In acidic medium, the turmeric is yellow in color, but in basic medium, its color changes to red. सिंदूर बनाने में इसका यूज करते हैं. किस में यूज करते हैं? सिंदूर बनाने में. We add sodium hydroxide to convert the turmeric into sindoor. Now methyl orange. Methyl orange, it is orange in color, yellow color, you can say methyl orange. Methyl orange, routinely orange color in basic medium, but when it put into the acidic medium, its color change to red or pink. Now phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein most commonly used in the laboratories, but most common used litmus solution, right? Because normally in chemical reactions we use phenolphthalein, and this phenolphthalein colorless in the acidic medium, but when it put into the basic medium, its color changes to pink. Got it?